Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to zip and unzip files and folders on your Mac. You can see I have 3 files. You can zip any file you want. For example, you can zip this file. Just click it and control click and select compress. Okay, compress. You can get this file. Okay, you can also zip this file too. Right click and compress. Okay, and you can delete the original files. Let me show you how to unzip file. Okay, for example, you just need to double click this file and it will unzip this file. Double click. Okay, you can see is already unzipped. Okay, and you can delete this file. With the same way, you can double click this file. Double click. Okay, and I will show you how to zip a folder and unzip a folder. Now I need to create a new folder. Right click and new folder, and we have a name, for example images, and we drag 3 images to this folder, and you can see in this file has 3 images, and we show you how to zip this folder. Okay, just click it and right click on it and select compress images. Okay, and you get this file, and you can delete original files. If you want to unzip this file, you can double click it and you will get this. You can delete. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.